Hi all my crafty friends, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. By doing so, you will help others, just like yourself, be able to find my home decor DIY videos. I created this beautiful sign using a Dollar Tree Halloween sign and a decal. I know I usually create my own vinyl decals for projects, but I saw this one at Dollar Tree and fell in love with it. I used this Halloween sign. I turned the sign over and applied some spackling to the holes and painted the back and sides of the sign with Waverly plaster chalk paint. I glued some craft paper to the back to keep the glitter from getting everywhere when I hung it up. I just didn't record myself doing that part. After the paint dried, I used a straight edge and a pencil to create the look of boards where the sign had indentions. I used Waverly silver linings and elephant chalk paint to create a distressed look using a Dollar Tree makeup sponge. I then applied a layer of Mod Podge so the pencil marks wouldn't smear. I wanted to use some of my Sola Wood Flowers on the sign. I love the look of these, and I recently purchased their 100 random flower bundle. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested in looking at what they have. I wanted the flowers to be a pink color, so I added some pink acrylic paint to some water and dipped the flowers in it. I put the flowers in the oven at 250 degrees for about 8 minutes to speed up the drying process. When I took them out, they were still a little damp, so I was able to spread the blooms apart a little. I used the same pink paint and some red to highlight the tips of the flowers. Since I was going to use the Sola Wood Flowers, I cut the flowers off the vinyl decal and placed them aside, because I know I will find another project to use them on. I added a leaf to each flower from a Dollar Tree floral pick I had in my stash, and glued both the leaf and the flower onto the board. I then applied the decal to the board. And just look at how cute this little sign turned out. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I upload weekly home decor DIY videos, and you know you don't want to miss any of them. So go ahead and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And as always, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy crafting!